So, I'm in a kitchen, welcome to my kitchen. Sorry, but so get used to it. This is probably going to be the last time you're going to see this because I don't really video in my kitchen a lot. So, probably should not get too used to it, actually. So, you're probably wondering what we are doing here. Well, Tiny Baking has been just slapping me in the face when I'm scrolling on YouTube, like, just tiny bacon. It's a bacon. Tiny bacon. So, we're going to prepare a meal for Naomi. We have this is gonna be a cup, this is gonna be her plate. So we're gonna prepare a tiny meal for her. So we got this tiny baking set. So we have a rolling pin, or a bowl, a pizza cutter, a little pan tray thingy, like something you put in pie, maybe. We have little mittens. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, little mittens. You can just like other mittens. You can just like grab it, take it out. So that's cute too. We have another plate already in here. So maybe we should make her another dish. Teaspoons to like, I don't know what they're gonna need this for because I'm not want to measure stuff today. Enough. It's plastic, obviously, but it can still cut. Very. Another pizza thing where you can like lift up the pizza, and a tray, and of course the tin thing. It says Tiny Baking on it. Woo. Sorry for people with headphones. I just heard that. Yeah, let's get to this. So, first, what we're going to be making, I honestly don't know what we're going to be making. I'm gonna pause the video until I find out. Yay! We're going to be making a jam-ish like thing. I don't know yet, but I know it's we're just gonna start off by making jam. Try this. We're gonna make some jam. So let's go get some berries. I'm grabbing some berries. I am back. I should really pause the video like this. Okay. Ah, no, my berries. Well, here are my berries. We're going to be putting them in here and then squashing them. There was a spoon, but I lost it. So we're just gonna grab a very tiny spoon. This will work. I hope. Okay, so 1 berry, 2 berry, 3 berry, 4, 5 berry, 6 berry, 7 berry, 8 berry, 9 berries. It's gonna be a bit of a jam. Let's start mixing it up. So squash it. Oh God. Oh. I don't know why I laugh at the most pleasant things. Unpleasant. I am feeling under the weather today, guys. I don't know. I haven't made a video this week, so I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and just be mixing this, so I will see you when I'm finished. Okay. My mom. Hello, Mom. It's my mom. And I think it's all mixed. It's like a nice jam-ish, right? Pretty nice. So let's put this in the microwave. I'm gonna put this in the microwave really quick. Just to melt it a bit. I should probably right. I'm just gonna put it in. Let's set it for 10 seconds. So while that 10 seconds is going, I'm going to get this prepared because I'm probably going to need it because it's getting hot. And after, let me see if it's, oh, that is steaming. It smells like burnt now. Burnt now. Okay. Let's mix it in just a bit more. We need just the juice. So I was thinking I could maybe make raspberry juice. So that's what I was trying to make. It's so funny. I know that's funny. So let's just keep on mixing this. We want this to become liquid. So I'm gonna put this back in the microwave. Maybe for 5 seconds. 10 seconds is I'm gonna do it for like 5 seconds, so maybe. Maybe we can do it for 10 seconds actually. It's finished. I love this sound. Oh, it's smoking. Hot. There we go. Okay. Okay, that looks jammy-ish. Is there any? Okay. Let's look for something that will spice it up. So I'm gonna look for something that spices it up. When I said spice it up, I was not joking. So let's add some Sprite to this. Da-da-da, I'm making a video. Don't map the words. So let's just add, I think I'm gonna have to make teaspoons now. Let's add the big teaspoon of this. So I'm gonna do that over a sink. So let me do that over a sink. Oh my gosh, he connected it. That's right. I decided something. Instead of, I just found this somewhere. And it was small, so I could use that. Small works. It's not saying, I just rolled it. 2 giant teaspoons of this. This is why we need something. I'm gonna get a towel. This is what I get for doing tiny baking. Okay, there we go. And now let's mix this. Ooh, so close to spilling. Let's mix that monstrosity up. Still needs to be more juicy, like. Now it's gonna be like fizzy-ish. I don't really like seeds, so what should I add though? I feel like just one more thing that will make it completely juice. I have an idea, but it's not gonna make it juice, so I'll have to come up with another idea. So I'm pausing it while I get it. Sugar is what I'm trying to add, since I add a bunch of Sprite. So let's just add, I still haven't dried this completely dried. There we go. Now let's add I'm gonna probably say I'm like running out of why is this so hard to get? Sugar. I always like my thing extra sweet. Let's just do that. Hopefully Holly won't eat it. Now I have to do another one. I'm gonna do it over this, and then I suppose I can just pour it in there, I guess. Like, big brain. I see it, it's going down. Really? Oh god. Go and... Okay, now we mix again. I love mixing. Still not juice though. I'm going to put this in like some sort of. Actually, I'm gonna grab a blender. If I can find one. Hold on a second. I decided I'm going to be making more of these, but I'm going to put them in a bunny butt mold. Why a bunny butt, you may ask? Because it's the only particular one that I can find that's good for this. I mean, like berries, bunnies. You know, it's just the theme. Okay. There we go. We're gonna need to make. I just got a good idea. We are going to make more of these in different flavors, though. This one's gonna be raspberry. And comment down below what you think the next one should be. Bye, guys. Have for part 2.